I chose to go into the welding program because of my parents, mostly. I chose to do it to make my dad proud.
Here at Bentley Welding, we did walls for water tanks, and then we built platforms, and then we just did some other work for the community around us.
I chose this internship because I really liked welding, and it was a great opportunity for learning experience.
In the beginning, we need to find out their skill set. I mean, obviously they're still in school, and we find their skill set, and then we'll give them some easier projects to work on. I know they all did platforms with the help with our people with experience. They got stuff figured out pretty quickly. At the end of the summer, they were all building platforms. The weld looked really good, and they were really proud of what they did. And we were proud of what they accomplished as well.
I gained a lot more knowledge. I gained how to use math from school to find circumference, and just how to talk to other people and get to know them.
What I've learned here is to be comfortable with the uncomfortable and to be able to communicate with people. I wasn't very good at communicating with people at CTE and asking for things, but here it became pretty obvious that that's what I had to do.
So the internship was really good for the kids, and I think it was good for several of our employees as well, because they got a chance to do some training and learning how to train kids and people.
I've learned how to grind better. I've learned how to weld properly and professionally.
I feel more prepared because I actually know how to do the stuff that I need to do. I think that I'm going to be able to complete TIG.
Bentley Welding is a great place to go. It taught me a great work ethic, to wake up early, get here on time, and just overall a real world experience.